let's continue with some of these British pairs. So I actually took a short as well here, just over here. I don't think I have it anymore, but off of this little break at the key level, retest, rejection, which ended up at break even, which is absolutely fine. So going into next week, I think price could go one of two ways. Either we are going to push up above this key level, create a retest, and I'll be looking at potential buying opportunities off of this key level and a continuation up from there. The other way price could go is create a rejection off of this level, push down, rejection, continuation. Okay, so I'd prefer this second scenario just because if we look to the left, there's lots of room to trade. Whereas if we go to the upside, we got some resistance just over here. Okay, so that's all I'm looking at with this pair. Until then, I'm going to wait patiently and not going to trade it. We'll have a look at GJ because it's another pretty prime setup in my opinion. We can see this trend pushing to the upside, and then we just see this little consolidation again. We're pushing into this level, failure to break above or below, and then we finally get that break, a retest. Okay, so that is textbook last kiss right there, which is one of my favorite setups, and it's just a breakout of a consolidation. We get a retest and a rejection. Okay, so that is literally textbook right there. So Monday open, again, all I want to see is price rejecting this key level and pushing down. Okay, if you guys haven't already noticed, it's very simple, guys. Just doing the exact same thing over and over and over again. And I'm sorry I can't provide you with greater analysis. But that's just how I trade. And I think you'll find as you trade, the simpler you keep it, the better. I find that if I overcomplicate things, I start doing stupid stuff or trading, trades that shouldn't be traded. But if I keep it simple, I have a very defined set of rules that I can follow, and it's easy to stick to, and it works. Okay, especially when you manage your risk well. Okay, let's keep going with GU. And again, you can see a very similar setup. All of the USD pairs actually have this sort of structure where we push to the upside. We have recently created a double top on the structural high, okay, and then we break below the previous higher low, which is actually the trend line as well. We provide a retest back to that key level, and then when we flip to the 1H, we want to see a rejection of that key level, okay? So again, Monday open, if we can see price push down, come back and create a retest, that would be a very interesting setup to look at. Yeah, and we'll look how that turns out. I'm tempted to potentially look at some trades before market close this week, but on the 15-minute. But it would be a bit interesting. I have been playing around on the 15-minute time frame, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. GBP CAD, very similar setup to what I've been talking about. We can just see this little rejection continuing to push us up. Then we get a break above the structure, and we're just creating a trend line structure. Retest, continuation. Okay, you can just see a very simple uptrend. Okay, I'm not going to trade against the trend. I'm just going to keep it very simple, wait for price to come back to this key level. And then again, I just want to see a rejection of this key level in the form of some weak rejections and some engulfing candles and patterns like double bottoms. Okay, it's very important to wait for that rejection, guys, because if you're trading, if price is coming back for the retest, it has every right just to continue down. Okay, it doesn't have to respect this key level. It could just keep going down, because if you think about it, if you look on the lower time frames, price is actually going to be trending down. Okay, so until you see that rejection in the form of a big engulfing candle or in the form of a double top, double bottom, pardon me. Okay, and that trend is broken. You can just see like that. Okay, so imagine this is the retest back to those key levels. Okay, on a lower time frame like the 5-minute or the 15-minute, we would be trending down. Okay, and unless we break these trends on the lower time frames, which come in the form of rejections, price has every right just to continue down and break below these levels. Okay, so that's why I always wait for those rejections, because that's where we get that new push phase beginning and where we profit in the markets. Again, GBP CHF, got to be patient with this one. Again, a nice little consolidation. We want to see break out of here and a continuation down, or a push up continuing from there. Nothing else to it. Just got to wait and be patient.
Interested in seeing our trades live as they happen? By joining the A1 Trading Discord, you'll get a notification every time one of our traders enters a position. Each trade we share comes with an entry price, a stop loss, and most importantly, a full breakdown of why the trade was taken. Learn alongside our experienced traders, join our active chat room, and ask your questions in our coaching webinars. Between our team of active traders, we trade Forex pairs, commodities like gold and oil, crypto, and stocks. By joining the group, you'll be able to keep up with all of it. Sign up today using the link in the description, and don't forget to use our promo code listed below for a special subscriber discount. Thanks for watching, and see you inside.